Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they arrive on our lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this in a full description of every option that's on this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2019 Ram 2500 Power Wagon, guys. This is a bad to the bone truck with a bunch of options that are on it. Starting off in the front, you're going to notice the extremely aggressive front end, the automatic overhead headlights. What a crowd pleaser when you look at them headlights. They really look good. Fog lights located right underneath that, and then you're going to have your front monitoring system, as you can see, located across the front bumper. You're also going to have a 10,000 pound worn synthetic rope winch right there. Guys, that is cool. And then the plug for that winch is right here. Plug in the winch and you can pull up to 12,000 pounds with that winch. Really cool feature to have. Completely blacked out. This truck is completely blacked out, and we're kind of going to go over that going around this vehicle. You're going to notice we're going to start with this 17-inch factory Ram blacked out rims, wrapped in a 285/70 Goodyear Wrangler tire. Got plenty of meat on them tires, but there again, still has the really nice, they're not over noisy while driving down the road. Factory Ram blacked out step-up bars with the blacked out Ram badging right there. Just a really cool truck. Crew cab, as you can see here, guys, got the really cool Power Wagon logo right there on the back, or on the side, I'm sorry. And this is a really cool feature, guys. Let go of the tailgate and it comes down on its own. That's cool. It doesn't slam down, it just goes down nice and slow, which is a really cool feature. Spray and bed liner, as you can see, LED lighting in the bed for when you're loading or unloading at nighttime. Another really nice feature to have. Factory backup camera, as you can see, located right there. Blacked out badging on the back. Ram Power Wagon. Everything's completely black. Blacked out. Nice heavy duty back bumper, as you can see there from the factory, with your backup sensors located all the way around the back here when you're getting into them tight spots. Trailer tow group, as you can see there, with a 4-pin and a 7-pin wiring hookup. Just all the cool features if you're looking for that heavy duty 2500 truck. And guys, with this Hemi 6.4 liter motor in it, man, it can definitely pull what you need it to pull. It's got all the pulling capability. It's still going to have decent fuel economy for a 2500 truck in general, and it's got all the equipment. And once again, it's completely blacked out. Memory seating for up to 2 people located right here. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors, as you can see there. Power windows and power locks. Power driver and passenger seat with power lumbar on both the driver and passenger. Really cool leather seating with the Power Wagon badging in it right there. Automatic overhead headlights like you saw outside. You can put them right there. Power foot pedals, as you can see there, they do go up and down. Really nice Ram logo floor mats throughout this whole entire truck. Easy to clean, just unhook them, pull them out, and power wash them off. Really nice feature. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, on these 4 bottom buttons, these buttons will operate your instrument cluster located right here in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now it's set on miles per hour, but it can be changed to a bunch of different options, whether it's your audio, your trailer tow, your trip information, your fuel economy, your vehicle information, whether it's your tire pressure, your transmission pressure, all kinds of cool stuff that's built into there. Right above that, you're going to have your buttons for your hands-free. Program your phone directly into this radio. You no longer have to worry about reaching for your phone while you're driving down the road. Simply answer your phone calls by simply hitting that button there, and you have the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your cruise control settings, and then right under that, you're going to have your option if you need to, especially when towing something, to switch gears or going up and down the mountains might be an advantage to you. On the back hand side of the steering wheel, you're gonna have your controls to operate your volume, turn it up and down. And then on the left hand side on the back, you can also change your channel when it comes to your radio. Push button start stop, as you can see here. This is a turn knob for reverse, neutral, park. Like I did say, it does have the backup camera when I put it in reverse, as you can see there. You can also lock your front and your rear, or just your rear, as far as your system goes, which is a really nice feature to have. It does have hill descent and the option for your sway bar. Guys, this is a 12-inch touchscreen radio. Absolutely amazing, and they did a great job with it. It's got functionality to do all kinds of different stuff. We're kind of going to go over some of the basics here real quick, but man, if you want a real crash course, come on in and check one of these out. We have we're going to need about an hour just to go over this radio, it seems like. You do have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. It's on Sirius XM radio right now. You do have a free subscription when purchasing it new, which is another really cool feature to have. Heated and ventilated seats. There's high, medium, and low settings for the heated and the ventilated seats for the driver and passenger. And then also a heated steering wheel. As you can see there, we do have climate control. So we do have dual climate control. So we can set the passenger on a temperature if you like, and the driver on a temperature, or we can just sync them together and make them all the same. Right now they're on 72. And then we can hit auto if we'd like. It's another cool feature. And by hitting auto, the inside of the cab will get to that 72 degrees and it'll stay there, whether they're increasing or decreasing the speed coming out or the temperature coming out of the vents. It'll stay at that 72 degrees, which is an awesome feature. Bunch of apps that are built into this. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. For example, you can check fuel prices, movie listings, current sports that are being played, previous scores, upcoming games, weather in your area, wherever you're traveling, your weather maps, so you can know what's ahead of you as far as radar goes. That's really cool feature. Sirius Traffic Plus, so you can be up to date on what's going on in the path you're heading as far as traffic jams, accidents, or whatever it may be. Another cool feature about this radio, obviously it does have navigation. I didn't mention that. So you can full screen navigate it. It's factory navigation with a bunch of obviously different options inside the navigation that you can adjust and check out cool things while you're driving down the road. You can split screen this radio. So as you can see here, I have it on my Sirius XM radio up top, and then I also on the bottom I have my navigation. So you don't have to necessarily use just one, look at one thing. You could change just the climate if you wanted to. You can change this to climate. It can be situated however you want, which is a really cool feature to have while driving down the road. Factory trailer brake control, does have your tow haul button. Four-wheel drive right down here. Put in 4 low, 4 high. Obviously 2-wheel drive one now. Cup holders located right here in the center armrest right here. There's a bunch of storage in here. USB plug inside. And this also can be flipped up to make it a 6-person seating inside the cab here. This vehicle does have factory sunroof, as you can see there. It does have the SOS feature and the assist feature if you need it. It also does have the factory programmable garage door, universal garage door opener system located right here, up to 3 separate garage door openers. Really nice feature to have also. Moving on to the back, obviously you have the leather seating to match the front. It does have a center cup holder with a little bit of an armrest located right here. Like we showed you up front, it does have the slush match throughout. It also does have heated rear seats with an AC plug available right there, with 2 USB plugs also available. It does have storage underneath here. These can be laid flat just like that all the way across in case you have to store stuff inside while driving down the road. This does have the upgraded radio too, so it's going to have the sub in the back on the other side, which is another really cool feature. This thing is pretty much loaded. Very cool and completely blacked out, guys. So if you're looking for a power wagon with all the bells and whistles on it, we got it here at the dealership. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all the new arrivals, just like this Ram extremely bad to the bone power wagon 2500 you got here. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRY CHRYSLER.com. And always, don't forget, when shopping for a Ram heavy-duty truck, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram for the guaranteed best price nationwide.